Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some very easy garlic air fried chicken wings. With a few simple Chinese ingredients, you will have some delicious garlic air fried chicken wings for dinner in no time. So let me just show you guys how to marinate these chicken wings. So over here I got some chicken wings that I have cut already. As you can see, just cut it into pieces so it can fit nicely into the air fryer. So first I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then just gonna sprinkle some white pepper all around. Okay, now I've got some chopped up garlic. Just gonna sprinkle that in as well. Here's about 5 cloves of garlic that I'm using. Okay, next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Get a plastic glove and just mix all the spices up in the chicken pieces. Let's do that. Mix all that garlic, the white pepper, the salt. Make sure each piece has some flavor on it. Okay, once that is mixed, we can add in our liquids, our sauces. So first I'm gonna add in about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. Then I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and that should be it. And that should be all the sauces. Okay, now we can get a glove and we can also mix that up. Let's give it a good mix. I forgot to add in a tablespoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Okay, afterwards we will add in some corn starch. So here, let's just add in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch just to thicken up the sauce so it can stick onto the chicken pieces, not too much. Then we can mix that up as well again. Okay, as you can see, the sauce has already thickened up from the cornstarch, and this will give the chicken wings some crispiness after it's air fried. Okay, now it's done. Now we can add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This will help give it that crispiness. Very healthy recipe. Okay, it's ready. Okay, we're gonna let this marinate for overnight or 2 hours. Then we can just pop these into the air fry them, and then I'll show you guys. Okay guys, our chicken wings are marinated for 2 hours now. So I'm preparing dinner now. So all we have to do is just pop these in the air fryer and then air fry these for about 30 minutes. So 10 minutes each side. So let me just put these into the air fryer. Okay, it's a bit full, but we just gotta pop them all in. Only a few pieces left. Okay guys, we're just going to pop these into the air fryer, and first we're going to air fry these for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, 10 minutes is up. Let's check these chicken wings out. Okay, looking good. Okay, now we'll flip it around and air fry them for 10 minutes again. Basically, we don't need to spray any oil because the chicken wing skin already contains a lot of fatty oil, so we don't need to spray no cooking oil. And when we marinated, we added 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That'll give this a very good crisp. Combined with that cornstarch, it'll be perfect. Okay, we'll pop these back in for another 10 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes is up. Let's check at these wings out. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's give it a good flip again. Okay, so from the first 10 minutes, nothing really changed, but after the 20 minutes, you can see the chicken wing skin is already starting to turn color. A lot of its fats are coming out, so that's what we want, so it can be crispy. As you can see, that little bit of cornstarch will give these wings some crispiness. Look at these, nicely. I wish you guys can smell this. A lot of good garlic flavor. Oh yeah. 30 minutes, get some good chicken wing dinner. Make yourself a lettuce soup combined with some rice, and then voila. Okay, we're gonna pop these in for another 10 minutes and then it'll be ready, guys. Okay guys, 30 minutes is up. Let's check at these wings out. Ooh, nice and crispy. Wow. Smelling good. Check at that, guys. Check at that. Crispy garlic air fried chicken wings. Check at that. Check at this wing. Without the oils, guys. So healthy and easy to make. Now, let me just plate these babies up.